Yes, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about functions in Excel. A function is a predefined formula in Excel which is used to perform calculations using set of values. The various functions used in Excel are categorized into mathematical functions, logical functions, statistical functions, date and time functions, and etc. So in today's video, we are going to discuss in detail about mathematical functions. Let's get started.
Settling down, my text go to your screen. You know better than that. I come around when you least expect me. I'm sitting at the bar when your glass is empty. You thinking that the song's coming on and tempt me. I need to be alone like the way you left me. You start calling.
In mathematical functions, we have some multiplication, addition, subtraction, division, square root, round. So in this video, we will discuss about these functions. Let us begin with sum function. So using sum function, how do we use it? According to the syntax, we can use the colon as well as comma to perform addition. Using sum, bracket open, A8, 50 is a value which is in A8 cell, A8 colon A10. This is what the range of data it selected. So when I use colon computer, the sum function selects the entire range starting from first cell to last cell. You may be having 10 values, you may be having 100 values or 1000 values. There is no need of typing each and every cell address individually. When we have set of values, first cell and last cell address is enough when you in sum function using colon. Remaining all are considered by sum function and it will make the total of it and displace it in cell. So colon selects the entire values from starting to ending. That is the advantage of colon. Second, comma. Comma, if I put the comma between cell ranges, it selects only those cell references which are specified in the brackets. So individual selection happens in the case of comma. Individual cell selection is happening in comma. So comma operator is not useful when we have large set of data. We have only 2 or 3 values. We can use the comma operator efficiently. Comma, enter. Next, sum. So instead of using sum and all, just directly we can use the addition operator to perform the addition. That is cell address plus enter. There is no need of some parenthesis, and it is another method, and it is also not efficient when we have large set of data, because in this method also we are specifying each and every individual cell address, which is a very hectic process when we have large amount of data. Next, third method, which is quick and easy method. Select the data with the mouse, click on home, sigma function, click on sigma. So these are the 4 different various methods to perform addition in Excel. Subtraction, there is no particular function for subtraction as we had for some, like sum bracket open close. There is only one operator, that is minus operator. We can use the subtraction in Excel. Is equal to 50 minus 10, enter. Multiplication, how do we perform multiplication? The first method, product colon enter, range of values, individual values with comma operator. Enter. Then is equal to into multiplication operator directly instead of typing product and everything. 3 methods. So to perform division, also we do not have any particular formula. We can use the operator in Excel to perform division. Is equal to 10, 25 by A29 by A30, or also 88 by 6, 88 by x, even like this. Square root, a number I have, and if I want to find the square root of it, use the function square root. It is a mathematical function. This round function is used to remove the extra decimals from a number. Like suppose here we have 6 decimal values after point. So if I want to round off this figure to 2 decimal values, so I can use this round function and make the decimals decrease by number of digits. B30, it is in the B30 cell, comma 2. I got 9.67, remaining are truncated. Similarly, if I put here 0, what happens? There will be no decimal values and the number is increased by 1 digit, since after decimal it is 6. After decimal, if it is 5 and above values, the number is going to increase, and if it is less than 5, it remains same. Likewise, for example, if we have 9.3 something, and if I use the round function, 0 here, system here function displays only 9. Here it displayed 10. Displays 10. So rounding of decimals is implemented using the round function. So using round, this is power function. So we have a value 25 and 2. I want to know the power. 25 square, comma 625. 5 square, 5 5s are 25. Likewise. So these are the operations implemented as mathematical functions in Excel: subtraction, addition, multiplication, division, and square root, round, power function. Hope all of you have understood the formulas. Use these formulas in your Excel for practicing. Do like, subscribe, and watch my videos. If you have any suggestions, please comment. Thank you for watching.